Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to analyze data in Excel using the powerful tool GoalSeek. So this tool is a part of what if analysis feature in Excel, and this is super useful for solving problems and understanding different scenarios in your data. So let's dive in. So let's explain it. So GoalSeek helps you find the input value needed to achieve a specific result in a formula. For example, if you want to know how many units you need to sell to reach a profit of 50,000, so GoalSeek can calculate it for you. So let's prepare an example in Excel. I'm just creating a simple table which is items and their values. Sales price per unit, which value is 500. Unit sold, value is 100. And now I want to calculate the total revenue. So total revenue, how to calculate it? So just apply the formula equals to select the first one, multiply by second one, equals to enter. So now let's find out how many units we need to sell to achieve a revenue of 1 lakh. So for that, just click the cell with the formula which is total revenue. Now go to the data tab and click what if analysis tool and select GoalSeek. So in the GoalSeek window, so this is the data table, this is the GoalSeek table. So select cell, click the cell with the formula which is already selected, and in to value box enter 1 lakh. And by changing cell, select the cell for unit sold which is 100. Now press OK and see the result. So GoalSeek adjusted the units sold to 200. So now we know we need to sell 200 units to reach out goals of 1 lakh revenue. So if you want to learn how to work with large data set or have any specific questions, please let me know in the comments below. I'll create a video to help you out. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. So see you in the next video.